Ready? Yeah. All right. So on your table in front of you, right? Some of you have a line of pictures. Okay? Okay. Look at the pictures like we did yesterday, right? We looked at some of the pictures yesterday. What do you notice in the pictures that you see? If you have, we're not shouting out answers, right? You gotta listen. I know what, put your hands down and listen. You're gonna share with the partner. So Michael and Liam, you're gonna look at this one. Jersey, Mariana, and Marwan, you're gonna look at that. Brianna and Zoe, that one. Versa and Zoe, that one. So Versa, you guys show her that. Amanda and Michaela are going to share. Hennessy and Andres are going to share. And then the two of you are going to just look together. All right, hold on. Freeze. Freeze. 1 second. Freeze. Eyes on me. Eyes on me. Andres, eyes on me. Okay. Yesterday, we looked at pictures and you told me what you saw. What are we learning about right now? Raise a quiet hand.
We're learning about that.
What is that? What about that are we learning?
Rain.
What is rain? What, like all of it? What is all the things that we're learning, Chloe?
We're learning about snow.
Snow, rain.
Weather.
What are those things?
Wind.
Hold on, freeze. Freeze, we're going to go to Anastasia. Go ahead.
Weather.
The weather. We're learning about the weather. So put your hands down for 5 seconds. When you look at these pictures, what parts do you want to tell me about? You want to tell me about the weather, right? Okay. So you're going to have about a minute to look at the picture and tell your partner something you noticed about the weather. What kind of weather is it? What are people wearing? What are people doing in that type of weather? Okay? All right, I'm going to give you 1 minute to talk to your partner. Go ahead. Mariana, are you taking a look at camera? There you go. Fix it. And then have it. All right. Yesterday, we started to read the book on the same day in March, right? Our learning target says I can ask and answer questions about weather around the world using the text on the same day in March. A tour of the world's weather. What is weather? Who remembers what is weather?
Rain.
Rain. So that's something it does outside, right? It rains.
Sun.
Sun. What is? What we see, right? And how it feels, right? The weather is what we see and how it feels outside. Like the conditions that are outside. Oh, yes, right? The air pressure helps make up the weather. All right. Our hands are down. Here are some of the places that we've visited. So, well, this time we've only visited so far Alberta, Canada, right? Yesterday. No, you're looking like that because you weren't here. You'll catch up. Don't worry. Okay? Alberta, Canada. In Alberta, Canada, on this day in March, it's cold, snowy, and windy. We go to Canada in our book. We use our imagination, right? So, it's cold, snowy, and windy. On this day in March in Canada, when it's cold, snowy, and windy, people wear hats, sweaters, and long pants. Okay? And they do winter activities like sledding and skiing. Okay? Next, we're going to talk about Paris, France. Remember, when I read about Paris, France, we need to know what the weather is, right? And what people wear and do during this weather. Okay? Andres, are you ready? You don't seem like you're ready. Are you ready? Can you look at me and stop talking Tennessee, please? Can you do that for me, please? Okay. All right. Are you sitting like a kindergartner?
Yeah.
Are your ears open?
Yeah.
Is your lips quiet?
Yeah.
All right. Are you going to be able to give me my answers?
Yeah.
Okay. In Paris, France, the sun slips out, still winter pale, but all over the city, at bus stops and markets, on small streets and grand boulevards, people hurry to work and school. People huddle in their coats and scarves, sitting at outdoor cafes and sipping chocolate. All of them turn up their faces to enjoy the sun's shy smile on the same day in March. So, in Paris, France, on this day in March, what are some things that tell us about the weather? Tell me, raise your quiet hand and tell me about the weather. Alani. Do you see rain? Sun, right? It is sunny, right? So in Paris, France, on this day in March, it is sunny. What else can you tell me about the weather? There's a little bit of clouds, right? How about, we figured out it looks sunny and there's a little bit of clouds. That's what we see. Look at the people in the picture, right? As I walk around, look at the people. What are they wearing? So how do you think it feels? Raise a quiet there. How do you think it feels there? Liam, how does it feel? You think it feels hot? Look at these people. Do they look like they're hot? When we're hot, we wear short sleeves and shorts, right? What do they have on? Jackets. Jackets, right? So when do you wear a jacket, Michaela? When do we wear jackets? Cold. So even though it's sunny, it feels cold, right? Sunny but cold. All right, ready? So we already kind of answered part of this question. What else do they have? What do they wear? Jackets. And what else? Do they just have jackets on? Long pants. What's it called? She went like this. What is that we wear? A scarf, right? So they wear jackets. They have long pants. A jacket and coat are the same thing. Long pants and scarf. Okay. Now, I read it. I might read it again. When it's cold but sunny, what are they doing in Paris, France? Raise a quiet hand. Marwan, you really got to work on that one. Andre. They're hungry, right? So they're eating, right? Like you said, right? They're eating. Are they inside or outside? Outside. So it might be a little cold, right? It's sunny, a little cold. They're eating outside. Are they spread out or real close to each other? Right? So it's called huddled together. They're huddled together. They're eating outside, huddled together. All right, let's not get on topic. Okay, let's not get on topic. All right, we're going to visit a new place. Our next place we're going to visit is Central Thailand. Remember, on the same day in March, are you watching? Eyes are up here. We're ready? Are you ready? Okay. In Central Thailand, it's too hot to plant rice. It's too hot to pick rice. But it's not too hot to spell rice. On the blackboard in the school, on the same day in March. What is the weather in Central Thailand? Raise a quiet hand. Chloe. It's hot, and if it's hot, it's also what? Sunny, right? So in Central Thailand, it's sunny. Look at the people in this picture. Are they cold? What are they? Hot, right? Sunny and hot. When it's sunny and hot in Central Thailand, let's look at the picture. What are they wearing? Raise a quiet hand if you can tell me something they're wearing. Anastasia. T-shirts, right? Right? They wear t-shirts. What else are they wearing, Amanda? Skirts, right? Blue skirts. T-shirts. Go ahead, Marissa. What are they wearing? What kind of shoes are they? When it's hot and sunny in Central Thailand, what kind of shoes? sleeve shirts, right? Flip flop.
Flip-flop.
Sandals or flip flop. So short sleeve shirts, shorts or skirts, and chocolate.
Right.
How do you spell it?
CHANCLETH.
Or chocolate. All right. Now, what's up? You good? All right. All right, that was pretty fixed. You guys did that one good, right? It's hot, it's sunny, they wear shorts, they wear t-shirts, and chocolate. All right, good kids. All right, ready? Are we ready? Okay. We're gonna come, remember, we talked about this yesterday? This is New York City. This is the place that's closest to where we are now that we're gonna read about. So this one is kind of like on this day in March, it's how we would feel too. Okay? Put your hands down, I'm not ready for names yet. Listen. We're gonna look at the pictures and then you're gonna give me my answers, okay? Let's get our heads up because it's not time to take a nap. Heads up, not entire body. All right, ready? Are you ready? Amanda, you good? Okay. In New York City, it's too gray to play outside. The parents sigh, the little kids complain, but the basketball players still stay in the schoolyard, arguing what's worse, snow or sleet or freezing rain on the same day in March. So, the basketball players are still outside, but what are some things that might be doing? No, that's not right. I want to know what the weather is doing. What is the weather? Sorry, I should have clarified. It's cold. Why do we know it's cold? All right. All right, hold on. Give me a second. When it's really cold, the basketball players that are outside, you mentioned these things. What are some things they're doing? I'm recording my phone.
I have-
Careful.
Nothing.
All right. Nothing. So, okay. All right, stop. Ready? It's cold outside. When it's cold outside, what are some things that we might see come from the sky? What kind of rain might it be if it's really cold? Okay, they are water droplets, so it's really cold. Ready? Let's listen. I'm going to read it again. Are you ready? Okay. But the basketball players stay outside in the schoolyard, arguing what's worse, snow, sleet, or freezing rain. So what are some things we might see in New York City on this day in March? Brianna. Ready? Michael, are you ready? The basketball players argue about what is worse, snow, sleet, or freezing rain. Amanda, what is one of the things that might happen? Okay, and what might come from the sky? Snow is one of them, right? It's cold. We might see snow, snowflakes. Okay, that's the same thing as snow. What? Okay, I need to sit here. have to listen to the words that I'm saying. I just want you to give them right back to me. Andre,
It's sunny. Or it's no. You see, it is you know it's the ice thing.
icicles.
Yeah.
Okay. So if it's really cold and it's raining, the rain could.
Fall water probably. Freeze.
So it's freezing.
Yeah, but you're freezing.
Freezing. Okay, give me the whole thing. What kind of rain? I'm talking to Mariana. I want Mariana right now. What kind of rain is it? If it's not ice water, it's
Freezing rain.
thank you. All the snow and there will be freezing rain.
Michael. Mariana.
Okay, what are they wearing? I hate to apply in pants. It makes my heart really sad if we can't follow that direction sometimes. Tell me something they're wearing. What is it? Go ahead, say it. Jackets, right? They're wearing jackets.
It's short. They're wearing shoes.
Shoes, right? They don't have orange on purpose, they have regular shoes.
They have sweaters.
Sweaters?
More than what?
There's more than one. What are they wearing? Can you tell me about this? Hats, right? They have hats, they have sweaters, they have shoes. And scarves, right? Hats, sweaters, shoes, and scarves, and jackets.
Anastasia. Anastasia. You saw it?
Now, not only do I want you to tell me what the basketball players are doing, but what did we read about the parents and the kids? Where were they? What's the matter? Okay, go ahead. The parents and the kids are in the schoolyard? Should I reread it? Let's listen. Ready? It's too gray to play outside. The parents sigh. The kids complain. So are the kids outside? No, I want to know about the little kids. Are they outside? No, why? Too early or too? Hold on. Let's take a break for a second. Are we talking about the time in the day or how it feels outside? So why are they not outside? Anastasia? Because it's cold, right? So the parents and young kids are in the house. Some people stay inside. But like we know with the kids on the basketball court, where are they? Are they inside or outside? Outside. I thought you said inside. But some play outside.
Anastasia, sí.
All right. Not yet. I'm sorry to hear that. Me too.
Okay. Kindergarten.
All right, we got one more place we gotta visit. Because we have to learn that, so you weren't here for my introduction of my book, so I'll do it real quick. This book is called On the Same Day in March. So in all these different places, all over the world, it's you ever, hold on, have you ever been to Puerto Rico?
No.
Yeah, right? If I went to Puerto Rico right now, should I bring my winter coat or my bathing suit?
Your bathing suit.
Why?
Because it's hot.
Right? So in different places all over the world, it's not the same weather. And Jack, who is Sophia's friend, he is going to a big trip all over the world. So we have to help him know what to pack in his suitcase. We learned about him yesterday. Jack is Sophia's friend who didn't wear a coat on the playground when it was really cold here.
And he was going to a future.
Because unlike Sophia, who knows now how to check the weather like we learned, he didn't check the weather, so he was really hot. All right, ready? Let's go to Zion, China.
Marva.
In Zion, China, in the park, the old men and small children guess, what will the wind carry today? Clouds of blue-winged swallows, dust that hurts their eyes, rain from the mountains, kites shaped like butterflies on the same day in March. All right. So what's the weather?
Let's go.
Look at the picture. Look at the picture. Does it look sunny? What is up here? And what's coming from the down? Raining, right? So it's kind of raining, right? The whole picture is not raining, just there's a little
No,
area.
no, no, no.
How does it feel? How do you think it feels outside? Hold on one second. Do they have like coats on? Are they all bundled up?
Marva. So you're right.
They have coats on? Are they heavy coats? Sweaters, right? So is it really cold there? Is it really hot there? So if it's not really cold and it's not really hot, it's in the middle. Warm, right? It's warm. But when I read, I said that they will watch the wind, right? They'll watch the wind. So it's warm, but it's windy, right? Warm and windy. I need a new feet. All right, ready? So we're in Zion, China. One of my friends is going to write about the place. Please sit right, I don't want you to get hurt. Another one of my friends is going to cut out some pictures, and another one of my friends is going to glue the pictures, okay? So, it's not that much. I'll show it to you. I'm going to have to use the bathroom too, because it's fine. All right, look. So, I need you to sit down for 1 second while I explain this, and then we can go, okay? All right. This is the picture. What's going to happen is your group is going to be told, you get Alberta, Canada, you get Paris, France, you get Central Thailand, you get New York City, you get Thailand, China. You have to remember, you have to talk to your partners and think about, this is what the weather was like in that place. This is what we would wear in that place. The person that's going to write is going to have to write the name and the type of weather, so the black and the green words, okay? The person that's going to cut is going to cut out what you wear, and the person that's going to glue is going to take those pieces and glue them to the paper. Me and Miss Iris will be coming around to help you, because this is difficult, and I know that it's difficult, okay? All right, so, Amanda, Zoe, and Hennessy. So Zoe, where's Zoe? I'm trying to mute her. Zoe, can you come back to that table? Andrea, Lisa, and Michaela, come here. Let's come here. Marwan, Rosa, and Anastasia. So Marwan and Rosa, come back here. Anastasia, stay at your table. I don't want you to come here. I need you to sit down and do this with your group first. All right. Andrea. All right. Brianna, Jersey, and Andrelis, go to that table. Andrelis, go to that table. Jersey, go to that table. Alani, Chloe, and Michael. So Alani, Chloe, and Michael, go to that back table. And then all right, listen. Marwan, you're gonna write for your group, okay? Alani, you're gonna write the words for your group, okay? Amanda, you're gonna write the words for your group. Brianna, you're gonna write words for your group, and Mariana, you're gonna write words for your group.
I see one.
Yeah, all words for your group. All right. I want.
No, sit down.
All right, let's see.
How do we even have
You
this?
guys are gonna do the first one. You're number one. Alberta, Canada. So the words that you need to write are here and here, okay? So get a pencil and start to write the words. Not you, Michaela. Mariana's gonna do that one. Brianna,
What if I
your group's gonna do Paris, France, okay? So Brianna, you're gonna write these words and these words, okay?
Sit down. You're gonna glue it.
Amanda, your group's gonna do Central Thailand. So you need to write these words and these words,
I'm gonna
okay?
get the glue.
Marwan's group's gonna do New York City, okay? So Marwan is gonna write New York City and the green word. I'm gonna bring this back there to them. So that they can see. All right, so you need to. What, you are. In Alberta, Canada, it's cold and snowy and windy. What would you wear? Look at the picture. What would you wear?
I see Brianna. Look at Marina.
All right, look, you're doing this one.
I'm watching the camera. We're watching the camera.
All right, so you need to, on this line, you're going to write the black words, okay? And then on this line and this line, you're going to write the green words. I need you to sit down. You have to go to the bathroom? Go ahead.
I color with
right, but listen. So it says it's warm with wind and a little bit of rain, right? Hold, give me 1 second. What'd you say? Okay, go ahead.
I was checking.
Hold on 1 second. It's warm with wind and a little bit of rain, right? What would you wear? We're not going to cut it out yet. We're going to talk about it. What would you wear if it was warm with wind and a little bit of rain? What kind of clothes would you wear? Talk to your friend about it and then cut them out and Michael's going to glue them.
I will wear a sweater and a coat. Sweater and a coat. So, and this is a coat. That is a sweater. I can wear and we will have to wear an umbrella. And we will have to wear we will have to wear well, I already said it. What kind of clothes do you wear? Boots, good job, boots. This Mom, we talked about it.
Alright, so she can cut them out while you're writing the words.
How do I forgot where to do it. The line.
It's right there.
You're doing the black
So on
and the
the-
green.
Right? On this line, we're going to write the black words, okay? On these two lines right here, you're going to write the green words, okay? Alright.
So cool. So on this line,
That's where the,
what?
let's write the black words first, right? The black words go up here, okay?
How are we gonna do green and green with a green thing?
Well, you don't write them in green, you write them in pencil. Did you find out all of them? Alright, who else is your partner? Anastasia? When Anastasia comes back, she'll be the one to make them. Good job, keep writing. Alright, now you have to write the green words that are next to it. Cold, snowy, rain. Yep. And you can use that line too.
I can take off the edge of mine. We're using our imagination. We're using our imagination. We're using our imagination to use the color green, right? Right, Lonnie? Oh my God. Look, this is Lonnie, look. We forgot long pants.
Alright,
Long
cold,
pants too, right?
snow,
And our undershirt, right?
you can write freezing rain.
We need some boots because it's raining.
How we doing? Alright,
It's open, shut.
you're right. Open, shut, open, shut. What's the matter? You good?
Look, it's saying open, shut. It's saying shut, right? It's saying open, shut. Wait, open, shut. Open, shut. Alright, let me write my words. Oh my, not kid. Look. I see Brianna.
What's the stop?
I see Brianna. I see Brianna. Mariana's over here. Over here. Maran, say hi. Maran, say hi. I see.
Because you're hungry. We're going to go to lunch, right?
Oh my god. I even see a Michael. Rosa. Yeah, I see Rosa, and my one is two over there. There's two over there. Yeah, I see a bid. Guys, I see a bid over there. Where is she? Right there, from the green table. Right there from the green table. Awani, right there from the green table. Awani, right there from the green table. Because
When it's sunny and hot, what are
I see she at the green table with Miss Plum.
do you wear warm, hot, and cold?
Weather or
Hot out, wear this. How about chocolate? When it's hot, you don't wear chocolate this one is hot?
Miss Plum.
Do you wear chocolate this one is hot? In the summer,
Oh, Miss
do you wear chocolate?
Miss Plum. Do I do the green word
Right, so
right?
we're gonna put chocolate to me.
Yeah, do the green word. Cyrus. Do I do the green word right
The weather is warm with wind and a little rain.
Do you wear
All this
Do I do it right here?
right there. Start with warm.
Miss Iris, what's a rope?
Huh?
What kind of? Do you wear long clothes or short clothes in the hot? What? Okay, so in Canada, it's cold snow.
Me too. I want to be a astronaut when I wake up. I want to be a firefighter when I I'm going to be an ambulance. An ambulance.
Come on, we gotta finish this. Warm, wet.
Do you feel hot or cold?
When you finish it.
Another 1, 2, 3.
Or hot? And what kind of
Three. Not too many. I use my mind.
Yeah. And then like wet.
Wait, Miss Cyrus,
Sit down with the scissors.
can I do what?
You gotta do this. No, 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 no. You have to do it. Warm, wet.
I see on a station.
This one, right?
I see on a station. I see on a station.
Wet, wind. That's an H. Come on, hurry up.
Your time to be Michael. No.
All right, my friends, you have about 3 more minutes. All right, ready, go.
As pala ko yun, di ba? V, and a little rain. Now you're gonna write down here. When you're ready, roll this. Wet.
Okay.
Now you're gonna write wait.
If you are done, I need you to clean up your stuff. Sunny but cold, right? When it's sunny but cold, or would you wear that? So rain
Now gonna put.
Let's clean up our stuff.
Then we're gonna put a.
You got it? All right, so it's warm with wind and some rain, right? So, what did you glue that to?
Then we did glue it.
Okay, but you have to put it on the paper, bud. Put it on the paper. You, go ahead. Walk around. Put some glue on it. Walk around and put it on the paper. Okay. I want you to take your paper and sit on the rug. Go find a letter. One person in the room is going to take a paper. Brianna, if your paper's not done yet, you can't take
Let
your
me
paper.
put a little.
Are you finished? Go sit down.
Glue it.
I,
Glue it like this. Okay.
Okay, give me a paper. Come over and start putting on the paper.
Like this.
here, Michael, here, put it in here.
Michael, you're gluing them together.
Turn your body into the, turn yourself
What
up.
else do you think?
No, Michael.
Yeah, and down at the bottom.
Michael, it's like just this.
You're supposed to put it on the top.
Hey! Come over here, please. All right, listen. I'm sitting with the letter.
No one dreams. Come back.
I'm sitting with this.
Miss Plum, is that a cat?
All right, are we done? All right. What we're going to do now is I'm going to ask you to tell us, Amanda, please be careful. You don't want to mess up your work, right? Okay. So, in Mariana's group, they did Alberta, Canada. In Alberta, Canada, it's cold, snowy, and windy. Can you show us and tell us what did you choose to wear? Turn around and show everybody. Not mine, wait. Okay, if we were quiet and listening, we would have heard Mariana not use her big girl voice. You're not a cat and I am a person. Please stop rubbing your face on me. Okay, I love you, but personal, please. Okay. She's going to tell us again. In Alberta, Canada, we would wear. In Alberta, Canada. In Alberta, Canada. Hold on one second, Michael. Please go sit on a letter. Okay, it's because you don't sit still. Please go sit on a letter. Please sit on a letter. You're still not on the letter. Michael, just move your butt back. Chloe, you're not moving. Sit down. Okay. Our eyes are on Mariana because she's the speaker, right? All right, go ahead. Right? Hats, clothes, boots, and a jacket because it's cold, snow, and windy. Who had Paris, France? Brianna, go ahead. In Paris, France, we would show us your picture. In Paris, France, we would wear. What do you have on there? All right, good job. All right, now in Central Thailand, Amanda, tell us. In Central Thailand, we would wear. Right? In Central Thailand, because it's sunny and hot, they would wear chocolates, short pants, and short shirt. All right, who did New York? Go ahead, Marwan, tell us. In New York, we would wear. Good job. And my friends that had Zion China, can you tell us what you would wear? In Zion China, we would wear. speaking, right? Boots, long pants, just look at the picture. What is it? Turn around and show us, maybe we can help you. Oh, she would use that what? What is that? An umbrella, because it rains in Zion time sometimes. A jacket, sweater. Alright, you guys did a really good job. My friends that have the paper, you can hand it to me. Everybody else, please go sit quietly in your seats, right? Calmly, carefully, and quietly. Amanda, can I grab your paper? Put it on.